Talens. Today I'm working on this little path through the flower field, and this is my way to show to myself that I learned to paint with gouache. So finally I'm doing it. I'm doing gouache tutorial in this cute Ghibli style painting. So first we will start with the sky, and then we will do it on our clouds, and I think this is very beautiful painting. So I'm working in my art creation sketchbook because I see that gouache is very thick when you know how to use it. So you don't need watercolor sketchbook. I mean, if you have, you can use it. But this mixed media sketchbook from Art Creation, not sponsored, not affiliated, just really love these sketchbooks. I think they are great. So here I'm doing some underpainting because I want this field of grass and flowers to be warm colors. That's why I'm adding this sepia tone underneath, and then we will put the grass and you will see flowers and everything. So I'm using some I don't know, from Temu. I think I buy these super cheap gouache colors because I'm afraid yet to use my expensive ones. I mean, they are not so expensive. They are from Mia gouache, so they are not very expensive, but these ones are super cheap. I think I paid them €5, 24 pieces or something like that, I'm not sure. But in this peaceful little road through a summer field with the open sky above it, so I really enjoy to use this trusty art creation sketchbook and these cheap colors. So I start with the light sketches of the road, going up, right, in the middle, and through the field. So nothing very precise, just enough to guide the composition. When I paint landscapes like this, I try not to overthink it. The charm is in the looseness of this painting and every other. So the first layer I added this sepia tone down, and up I just add a little bit of blue for the sky and a little bit of gray to show the clouds. I keep it simple and smooth because I am still learning. The joy of gouache is that if you make mistake, you can paint right over it, and that's why I really want to learn to paint with gouache. Now I move to the field. So this warm yellow down behind everything, and this green color and maybe some soft brown to hit depth in the pot. So I'm using a flat and round brush, flat for bigger one for big areas, to paint quickly. And these colors may look flat now, but will add texture later. I'm really satisfied with this painting because I am beginner, and when I make some tutorial, I really feel happy because I know that I learn on that way. The road should feel like it leads somewhere. I use soft gray and beige and lighten it toward the horizon. This creates a little perspective, even in a simple sketch. Wash dries not so quickly, so you can add a layer and blend without waiting too long. I like to dab in grass, mix colors directly on the page, and play with lights and shadows. Nothing too detailed, just soft movements. So this little road painting reminded me that simple things can still be beautiful. You don't need expressive supplies or perfect sketch, just a little time, space, and willingness to try. So my colors are here to complement blue sky, this very dark purple and red flowers and a little bit of white. And now I'm adding white on this purple to show some lighting in them. And now I'm not satisfied with my sky, so I'm adding deeper blue in it and a little bit of this gray to show these clouds better. So guys, it is finished. I hope you like it. I do like it very much, but this washi tape is not good. It's tearing the paper. Look at this. Turn down like crazy, and I'm not happy with it. Only thing is that it looks nice. That is all. but okay, it's not so bad. I managed to save this painting from this crazy washi tape. And now my signature. So where should I put it? Maybe here. That is all. Thank you so much for watching. So I've been thinking I will probably paint in this, on this paper. It is not so thick like the last one, but I don't have too much sketchbooks. And the last one was for watercolors, so I'm saving for watercolors. And since this gouache is pretty thick when it's come to paper, it's nothing bad to paint on this my new sketchbook for gouache. It's beautiful color. So I have one for portraits, for pencils, and this, if you didn't see before, this one is pink and this one is lilac, and they are both from Art Creation. So I think this will be very nice for gouache, because I can see that paper is managed to survive this gouache. Okay, I didn't put so much. I'm still learning and I'm still using my gouache like a watercolor. But what should I do before I learn properly use gouache? I will paint like this. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.